Hello everyone, welcome to Python programming tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about ternary operator in Python. So I've already created a ternary operator.py file. I'll open that and let's understand some of the basics of the ternary operator and when it got added in Python programming. So ternary operators are also known as conditional expressions, and ternary operators evaluate something based on a condition being true or false. First time ternary operators were added in version 2.5. So if you are using version less than 2.5, you won't be having ternary operator in that. So as this course is in Python 3, so we have ternary operator. So if you're using very old version of Python, you won't be having this functionality in Python. Now what it does is it allows you to test a condition in a single line and makes the code compact. So like in if else you have to indent the code and use multiple lines of code, but ternary operator just allows you to put the whole code in one line, and which makes the code compact. So here I'll go through a brief example of the ternary operator. So the format of ternary operator, as you can see I'm highlighting on the screen, is pretty simple. So you have the first part, which basically the first thing that evaluates in ternary operator is this A. So this is the condition A. So for example, if this condition A is being met, then the first part of the ternary operator, which is highlighted on true expression B, that means expression B will be evaluated. If after the evaluation of expression, or after the evaluation of A, the evaluation comes out to be false, then the else statement, or the block in front of else, gets executed, which is on false expression C will be executed. So let's understand this with the actual code. So here on line 8 I have assigned an integer to a variable x, then I have a variable A which to which I am assigning this whole ternary the output of the ternary operator. So if you see that I have the condition here, so after if, the first condition to be evaluated in ternary operator will be the condition after if, which is basically x is greater than or equal to 18. So what it will do is it will first take whatever the variable is. So at the moment the declared variable is 11. It will pass on the 11 to x and will check if x is greater than or equal to 18, which is not. So that means this condition will get evaluated to false, and the print output or the statement which will be evaluated next will be the statement or expression after else, which is basically just the string that will be printed. So here it can be print or it can be any other operation as well. Now if you change this to say 21, the value of x to 21, then this expression after if, which is the expression A, if you see from here the format, so this will evaluate to true, and in that case the first part before if, which will be executed. So let's try to execute this and see what the output will be. So as you can see that x is 21, and the first expression that got evaluated is if x is greater than 18, which evaluates to true because 21 is greater than 18, and if true, then this expression will be executed, and then you can vote should be printed. So on true, expression B gets evaluated, and on false, expression C gets evaluated, and the first expression to be evaluated in ternary operator is expression A, which is after if. Now if I change this value to 11 again, save the code and run again, and now you can see you cannot vote below eligible voting age got printed because this condition got evaluated and the evaluation came out to be false, and that is why the statement after else got printed. You can also do it like this. So you can just copy it, and instead of assigning it to A and printing A variable A, you can directly print the whole string, and the result will be exactly same. So if you try to execute, the result will be exactly same. So you don't necessarily need to assign this ternary operator to a variable and then print that variable. So that is a brief about the ternary operator in Python. Thank you.